Hey everyone, let's talk about different types of income for an individual in this video. Income is a subcategory of direct tax. If you haven't watched the video about direct tax and indirect taxes, I highly recommend you watch the video on the I button here. Additionally, if you want to watch the whole playlist all about tax, you can watch it on the I button here as well. Okay, let's get going. According to Section 14 of the Income Tax Act 1961, an income for an individual is classified under 5 different heads or 5 different categories. According to these categories, the tax slab is computed. Number 1. Income from salary. Salary is the amount you receive from an employer for the service you are doing for that employer. This is based on the terms and conditions of a contract which you are signing. For example, let's say you are working for Infosys. You have signed a contract saying that you will be working for 5 days a week, 4 weeks a month, 9 hours per day, and you will be getting a salary of 20,000 per month. That's a contract. Salary should also include basic salary, that is a base salary, HRA, that is house rent allowance, LTA, leave travel allowance, providence fund, pension fund, and so on. Combining all this is your gross salary. The gross salary is the amount where it is going to be taxed. Number 2. Income from house property. According to Income Tax Act 1961, Section 22 to 27 defines the income of a person which he gets from the property of a land or a house which he owns. It is interesting to know that the tax is levied from the property or the house which you own, not from the rent which you get from that particular property. TDS, that is tax deduced at source, is levied at 10% if the rent of the property is above the exemption limit. Upon this, service tax is also levied if the rent is too high upon a limit. Number 3. Income from profit of businesses. This is the income you earn from the business or a profession. Profession here means can be anything like athletes, musicians, sports star, etc. Think about singers, it's their profession and still they earn money. Thus their income come under this category. The difference between revenue and expenses is obviously the profit which is going to be taxed in this scenario. Let's look at some of the examples. Profits on income by an organization. Profits on sale of a certain license like song, album, brand name, etc. Think about the millions of copies Michael Jackson has sold. Profits, salary or bonuses received as a result of a partnership in a firm. Benefits received in a business. Number 4. Income from capital gains. Any gains or profit which you earn by selling your assets, by transferring your asset from one person to another, is this capital gain. This includes your investments in equity funds, stocks, mutual funds, debt funds, and etc. So whenever you sell a capital asset like a property, you gain profit out of that. So this profit is your income and this income is a taxable income. Number 5. Income from other sources. To make it easy, whatever is not listed in the above category, it comes under this category. Like winning a lottery, horse racing, card games, gambling, and so on. These income are attributed under Section 56(2) in Income Tax Act 1961 and thus all this income is taxable. Well, now you are aware of 5 different types of income. Take a paper and a pen, write down all the sources of income that you receive. This is the first step to identify the sources of income that you receive under different categories. This will eventually help you to plan your taxes even better. If you are still confused where your income falls, under which category, you can find a CA or a financial advisor to help you with this. Hope you found this video useful. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned with the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.